What is going on, guys? It's Kevin back again with a quick new video, just letting you guys know what I've been doing and what I've been working on. Now today we are up here in the beautiful North Georgia mountains. I'll give you a little view here in a second, but I brought the Eclipse up. I've been driving this car for a little bit over a month now. No kind of issues. I know it's kind of windy up here because we're up on a mountain, but no issues with the car. It runs and drives incredible. I did do the head gasket, did all the intake valves. I did the oil pump, the water pump, the oil pump belt, all that good stuff. Everything on the top end of this engine is completely good. The only problem that I have in the back of my head, just knowing Mitsubishi, is the automatic transmissions. That's the reason I'm up here. I haven't had it on inclines and declines, so I thought I'd bring it up through the mountains for a little bit, just see how it shifts, and so far it's doing incredible. So I'm gonna give you a proper walk around the car real quick and show you this beautiful location where I'm at right now. Alright guys, this is where I'm at right now. Beautiful, beautiful North Georgia mountains. You see the little city down there. This is one reason I love the South, and this is the one reason I couldn't see myself living anywhere else. This is just amazingly beautiful, and these roads are incredible up and down through here. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Let me show you guys the car real quick. Okay guys, and here it is. This is a 4G Mitsubishi Eclipse. I'm going to give you a couple little stats on this car. This is the 4G Mitsubishi Eclipse, which means the fourth generation was the last generation of this car, and this is actually the last year. 2012, they stopped making these things, and they made a stupid decision to go ahead and make the Eclipse into a crossover, which it made no sense. Mitsubishi already had the Outlander, they already had the Endeavor. Why do you want to taint the Eclipse name? I mean, it's the same thing with the Mustang going into a crossover electric or whatever. But anyway, back to this car. Like I said, the 4G, it has the 4G 6.9 engine in it. It's a 4-cylinder, it's 162 horsepower. This is coupled with an automatic transmission. Now it is a regular transmission, it's not a CVT transmission, which those things are complete crap. This thing right here runs and drives good. A lot of people say that this generation of the Eclipse is kind of a feminine type, but if you put it right beside the third generation Eclipse, I would say the third generation Eclipse is definitely a girl car.
Listen. What the hell is even that?
This is the GS Limited Edition, which has the blackout top on it. It has the dual spoiler on the back. I'll show you. It actually has two spoilers on the back. Has the 18-inch wheels, blackout front bumper. Let me give you a quick walk around to this thing. Like I said, I've been driving this car and I've enjoyed it. I haven't had any kind of issues. The AC, the heat works, and considering it really doesn't look like anything else on the road. It has like a unique type styling to it, so I cannot complain about this car. It does have the Rockford Fosgate non-speaker stereo system with a 10-inch subwoofer, which I've already upgraded to a digital design 12-inch subwoofer. So it has a 12-inch subwoofer in the back, and also the factory 10-inch, because I didn't want to, you know, really destroy the car or take anything out of it, because if these are going to be worth anything, this is going to be the year model and the trim to actually have if it's going to go up in price. Now let me show you back here this dual spoiler thing. So you have this spoiler here, and then you see all the Eclipse have this little spoiler here. So you see a lot of Eclipses, but you don't really see a lot of the white ones, and you don't see many that have this factory spoiler. Now let me open the back here and I will show you my car is a mess, but this little custom box. Now I made this just so I'd have enough room, because I am using this car to go back and forth to work now, to put, you know, my work stuff, cleaning supplies to clean the car, stuff like this. This thing sounds incredible. I'll actually let you guys hear this in a second. It is mated to a 1500 watt amp. This is the D&D Redline series, I believe. The Redline 600, something like that. Oh, of course I'm always going to have my NOS, but Leather seats. It's got heated seats, which are incredible. I love the heated seats. As you guys can see, I've got all kinds of like screens and stuff. I've got phone here. This is for GPS. This is for watching YouTube videos. This right here is for recording the road. And this is right here is a dash cam for personal reasons. Let me show you something else, which is kind of cool. And I didn't realize when I first had it, but in this edition of the car, you would never actually know here, but it has a backup camera in here in the rearview mirror, which is completely fucking useless. It really is. You can't see shit out of it, so I don't understand why they did that. That is it for the video today. I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do with this car. I do know I want to keep it, just because I've never seen in the wild a clean Eclipse like this that's not beat up, that's not modified. Of course, the last year model, so it's going to be collectible. It is unique to other cars on the road. The good thing about this car too is the 4G69 is the same motor it comes in the Lancer, same motor it comes in the Galant and the Outlander. So finding parts for this car is incredibly easy. That's one of the biggest things. When you have a unique car, some manufacturers want to put a special motor in it, but this car at the foundation is very, very basic and very, very reliable. So I can go to the junkyard and just pick up parts, next to nothing, to keep this thing on the road. So I don't really see any reason in selling it. So this is a new addition to everything else that's going on. And like and subscribe to the video if you like my content. I'm gonna try to put out more. I've just been so busy. I've been enjoying life and doing different things. So yeah, that's it, guys. Stay cool. Like I said, like and subscribe. I'll talk to you later.